Geography Chapter 4, the second part, non-metallic minerals. Number 1, mica. Muscovite and biotite are the most abundant varieties of mica. The two striking features of mica are its thin sheet structure and luster or shine. Muscovite mica is usually found in metamorphic rocks, while biotite mica is found in both igneous and metamorphic rocks. Mica is widely used in heating instruments, electric condensers, in optical instruments because of its flexibility, elasticity, low thermal and electrical conductivity. India is the leading producer of Muscovite mica, followed by Brazil. Other producers are the US, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Argentina. High quality mica is found in India, Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Number 2, limestone. It's a common building material. It is readily available, relatively easy to cut and can withstand almost all weather. It is also used for blackboard chalk, interior and exterior construction, flooring, in industries such as paper, plastics, steel, paints, glass, etc., for water treatment and road construction. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. It is composed of calcite. It is found in the US, Canada, Vietnam, Denmark, France, etc. Next, salt. It is an important mineral which consumes humans. Halite is sodium chloride which is used as a table salt. The chemical industry uses salt for the production of chemicals. It is also used for making soap, glaze and porcelain enamel. The largest producer of salt is the US, followed by China, Germany, India and Canada. In India, rock salt is found in Himachal Pradesh, sea salt obtained in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. India has 4 mineral fuels, 52 major non-metallic resources, 11 major metallic resources, 22 minor minerals. India is also the third largest producer of chromite in the world. Next part, power resources. Mineral fuels are used across the world to provide most of the energy to run machines for communication and industrial purposes. They are non-renewable. Petroleum, coal, natural gas account for 80% of the global energy. 5% is provided by uranium, another major fuel, nuclear source. The remaining 15% provided by renewable sources such as hydropower, wind and solar energy. First, petroleum. It is referred as black gold. It is the most important source of energy in the world. Its major factors are: number 1, it provides fuel for heating and lighting and generates thermal power. 2, it is used as lubricants for machinery. 3, it provides raw materials for a number of industries. 4, it has domestic uses like cooking, heating, etc. 5, it provides motive power for vehicles. Petroleum is an important fossil fuel and a complex mix of hydrocarbons that occur in petroleum, natural gas and solid forms. Petroleum provides a large number of energy products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene and aviation fuel. It is also used for lubricants, chemicals and paraffin oil. The largest producers of petroleum are Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain. Other important producers are Russia, the US, China, Indonesia, Egypt, Libya, Myanmar and Brazil. In India, the important producers of petroleum are Eastern Assam, Gujarat, Bombay High, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. Next one, coal. Coal is found in layers of varying thickness in beds of sedimentary rocks. It is solid and black or brown in color. It is widely used to generate thermal electricity. There are four main types of coal. They are peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. China is the largest producer of coal in the world. First one, peat. Peat is the first stage of coal formation. It has high percentage of moisture and low carbon content. Its low heating capacity allows to use only as domestic fuel. Second one, lignite. It is the second stage of coal formation. It has high moisture content. It is used in generating electricity, manufacturing gas, plastics and nylon. Third one, bituminous. It is higher in carbon content, 40 to 80%. It is used for steel making, generating thermal power for household and industrial purposes. Fourth one, anthracite. It is hard, black coal with a very high carbon content. It burns slowly with more heat and no smoke. It is used for central heating in buildings and steam generation in ships and boilers. The biggest reserves of coal are found in the US, Russia, South Africa, Australia, Germany, UK, China and India. India is the world's largest producer of lignite. The most important coal producing regions located in India are near the valleys of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi, etc. Near Damodar, Bihar and Bengal, near the Son, Madhya Pradesh, near Mahanadi in Odisha, and near the Wardha river in Maharashtra. The largest coal fields in Bihar, Jaria and Raniganj. Other largest field in India is West Bengal. Other areas are Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Kashmir and Sikkim. Lignite found in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir. Next one is natural gas. It is colorless, highly inflammable, hydrocarbon and a type of petroleum that occurs in association with crude oil. World's largest gas fields are found in Russia. Other important producers are the US, Canada, Algeria, Iran, Norway, UK and Indonesia. Natural gas is converted into LPG and CNG. LPG is used for cooking fuel. CNG is used as a fuel for vehicles. Natural gas is commonly used for cooking, heating as well as in clothes drying. Major producers in India are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Assam, Tripura, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. Natural gas accounts for 8% of the total power generated in India. Power resources are divided into two, renewable and non-renewable resources. In the last part I explained about the non-renewable resources like coal and petroleum. The next one is the renewable resources like hydropower, solar energy, wind energy, nuclear power, geothermal power, etc. The first one, hydropower. Hydropower is produced from generators that are driven by water turbines. Falling water enters the turbine and the moving blades power the generator to produce electricity. Hydropower accounts for 24% of the world's electricity. Canada is the world's largest producer of hydropower, followed by the US. Other major hydropower producing centers are Russia, Brazil, China and Norway. Next one, solar power. Sunlight is the largest source of non-polluting renewable energy received on Earth. Solar energy can be directly converted into electricity by solar cells. It is mostly used for low-powered items such as watches, calculators, cookers, water pumps, lanterns and water heaters. Solar power is replacing the 5 million diesel pumps in India. Next, wind power. It is used to grind grains and pump water. Wind is a renewable source of energy and is also free. In Denmark, 20% of the electricity is generated from wind source. The other leading countries are Germany, Spain, the US, India, Italy and the Netherlands. In India, wind power accounts for about 8% of the total installed power capacity of the country, about 5th rank on the world. Tamil Nadu has the largest number of windmills, followed by Gujarat. Nuclear power. Energy released from uranium when an atom is split by a neutron. When uranium atom is split into two, when it happens, energy is released in the form of radiation and heat. This reaction is called fission process or nuclear fission. The leading producers are Lithuania, France, Slovakia, Belgium and Sweden. In India, uranium is mined in Jharkhand. Power plants are located in Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu, Rawatbhatta, Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kakarpara in Gujarat and Kaiga in Karnataka. Geothermal power. It obtained by using heat from the Earth's interior. Hot water and steam reservoirs under the surface of the Earth are generally used by existing geothermal plants. The leading producers are China, the US, Iceland, Turkey, New Zealand, Georgia, Russia and Japan. In India, Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh, Cambe in Gujarat, Bakreshwar Tandaloi in West Bengal and Bihar, Godavari Valley in Andhra Pradesh, Barren Island in Andaman. Next, tidal energy. It is generating from waves or ocean currents. High tides and low tides are utilized by building a dam to block the water, then releasing the water through a turbine that generates electricity during high tides. Durgadwani, West Bengal, Gulf of Cambe, Gulf of Kutch, Ganga Delta, Eastern Coast are the India's tidal projects. Next, biofuels. Any fuel that derived from biomass is known as biofuels. It is made from renewable resources. Biogas is produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. There are different types of biogases: ethanol, biodiesel, methane, methanol and butanol. Biogas is produced by biodegradable materials like manure, sewage, waste, municipal waste and green waste, plant materials and crops. Thank you. Students, please visit our school website stjosephschoolislambur.co.in so that you can study all the question answers.